Imagine vanishing without a trace in a storm so cold it steals breath. 9 experienced hikers did just that in 1959, fleeing their tent mid-blizzard on Russia's Dyatlov Pass, leaving boots, coats, even their own footprints behind. Weeks later, searchers found bodies scattered, broken bones, radiation traces, a tongue ripped out. No avalanches, no animal attacks, just frozen terror etched into their faces. What forced them to slash their way out and sprint into minus 30 degrees Celsius darkness? Theories scream, military tests, Yeti, infrasound-induced panic. But the truth? Decades later, evidence still chills. Their diaries whisper of something inevitable, watching. Would you risk solving a mystery that refuses to die? Some say the mountains keep secrets best buried, but what if they're waiting to be found?